This video is all about how to use the WordFinder feature to help our students learn new vocabulary and honestly to help us learn new vocabulary as well. So right now we're on the 28 one-hit vocabulary. This is usually the most basic that we have our students on if they have an accent device. So we are going to go into pages. And this will bring up a new page of all sorts of different icons. So we can see at the top left corner, there is a big purple icon called WordFinder. So we're gonna click on that and it's gonna bring up a keyboard for us. So we're gonna type in words here that we think are on the talker or we know that are on the talker and we don't quite know how to get there. So for example, I'm gonna type in the word dog. And then at the top, I'm gonna hit the green search icon. And now it'll bring up the icon sequence that will teach us how to get to the word dog. So sometimes there's two different options. I always encourage you to hit the guide me. And now it'll take you step by step to teach you where the word dog is on this device with this vocabulary. So we're gonna go into categories. This is under animals, under pets. And there's the word that we're looking for.
Dog.
So now we know the sequence that we can use to get there. We're going to try it again without the guide me. Categories, animals, pets, dog. So now we just learned a new word. We know where to find it, and now we can use it, model it, and teach it to our students.